Hi everybody, I'm Cece. I'm 6 years old. This channel is about how I make fun things with Scratch. Here we go.
Hi, Cece.
Hi, Mommy.
What do you want to do today?
I'm trying to make me as a cartoon person talk.
Oh, that sounds really fun. Can you show us?
Yeah. First you press New Project. And then you get away this cat or exit. And then you get this a little smaller. Then you need to roll over the choose a sprite button, and then you go all the way up to the upload sprite button. And then you'll get your picture.
That's you, right?
Uh-huh. And then you go to the costume and make it a little smaller.
Why you need to?
Because, well, you don't need to if you want to.
Oh, so you want to put it as on the side?
Yeah. That's where I want it to be. And then you go back to code. And then I need to upload my sounds. I'll press on the sounds button, and then I roll over the choose a sound button, and then I go all the way up to upload sound, then press it. I already recorded mine, and here it is. I'll double click it, and then we listen to it.
Hi everybody, I'm Cece. I'm 6 years old. This channel is about how I make fun things with Scratch. Here we go.
And then we cut this part. Oh, all the way here, and then press the delete button.
So why?
Well, because we don't want the parts with no talking.
So you want to get rid of those, right?
Uh-huh. And then we go back to code. Next, I press on events and then drag out a when flag clicked button.
Oh, wait a second, Cece. I see lots of buttons over here. Can you explain a little bit more about what button you're gonna use for today's project?
Yeah. The button I will use is looks, sound, and events. The looks is like how you see it or let it say something. And then sound is like play a sound. And then events is like when you get this flag.
Oh, I see the green flag. I see one over there.
Here?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Next, I will press on sound and then drag a play sound blank until done. Mine says beginning. You can switch it into the video you want. And then
You mean audio, right?
yeah. And then we drag out a events block, and then we get get to the looks and drag out a say hello for 2 seconds block. And then
So all those looks are the conversations you're gonna have, like you're gonna see on those little video, right? Oh, I understand.
I need to drag 4 say blocks because I have 4 sentences here. You can drag these say blocks or duplicate them. Then I go back to this and then I underline these.
Copy.
And then press the right button on your mouse. And then press copy. And then you press this minimize. You press on this hello and then press the right button on your mouse and then press paste. And then next you can repeat that step. But don't use the same sentence. You can use the sentences that you had, the second, third, or fourth, or even more of them.
So now you just copy and paste all of those sentences to this blanks, right? Okay. Let's wait a second, right? You need some patience.
Yeah. I want to make this bigger. I'll press on the button, this button, to make it bigger, and so I can see it. It looks like I'm almost done with my project. Let's press the green flag to see how it sounds.
Hi everybody, I'm Cece. I'm 6 years old. This channel is about how I make fun things with Scratch. Here we go.
Oh, it looks like my prairie graph, it is not matching my sound. Look, this part is where it tells you how many seconds it can show the saying block, like this thing.
Hi everybody,
Do you mean the blank over here shows how many seconds it's gonna play the sentence over here? Okay, that's why they're not matching together, right?
I want to change this to 3. And then let's see.
Hi everybody, I'm Cece.
It looks good. And then I'll change this sentence to 4.
'Cause it's longer.
Yeah, let's see now.
Hi everybody, I'm Cece. I'm 6 years old. This channel is about how I make fun things with Scratch. Here
It sounds and looks great. Now it's done. Do you like this video? Can you make this on your own? I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching this video. I'll be truly appreciate if you subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. You're welcome to leave a like or comment below. I'll see you in the next video.